Hello learners, welcome back to Dronatech Arduino tutorial series. In this video, we will be designing a traffic light system using LEDs 7 segment and Arduino UNO. We have videos of interfacing LEDs and 7 segments in Arduino tutorial series. If you have not gone through those videos, please do watch them. Those concepts we will use here to design this project. So let's go. Learners, this is our circuit diagram or connection diagram for traffic light signal project. Here I have taken one Arduino UNO, one 7 segment and 8 LEDs of color red and green corresponding to each path in a traffic. Learners, this is how our project will look like, where we have 4 paths. Suppose path 1, path 2, path 3 and path 4. For path 1 if you will see, it is red LED, means traffic is closed. For path 2 it is green LED, means traffic is open for this path. And for path 3 and path 4 it is red, means traffic is closed. And similarly this traffic status will rotate from path 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to again 1. You can integrate these LEDs and 7 segment in a working model to enhance its look and feel. Let's discuss about the circuit diagram now. So learners, this is our circuit diagram where our 7 segment display is connected to pin number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and A5, and LEDs are connected with pin number 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. I will be explaining these connections of 7 segment and different LEDs with Arduino UNO in the code. So let's go. Here is our code where these pins are used for LEDs. So path 1 red and green LEDs are connected with pin number 13 and 12. Path 2 red and green LEDs are connected with pin number 11 and 10 of Arduino UNO. Similarly for path 3 and path 4. And we have used these pins for 7 segment display 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 0 and A5, that is analog 5 main. I have declared a delay 1 variable of int type whose value is 1000. This one we will be using to provide a delay of 1 second in the counter. Next is we have declared a function countdown which will display digits from 9 to 0 with a delay of 1 second on 7 segment display. So here it is like this will display 9 and for a 1 second, then this will display 8 for 1 second and so on like this. Similarly for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. In setup, we have configured all the pins as output. So these are all LEDs pins which are declared as output, and these are 7 segment pins which are declared as output. So what we are doing in the loop is we are writing high logic on path 1 green LED so that traffic signal for path 1 will be opened or green, and for rest of the paths 2, 3 and 4 we are keeping high logic on red LED so that red will be displayed and those traffics or paths will be closed. And post that we are calling the countdown function which will display from 9 to 0 on 7 segment display. Means for 9 seconds our path 1 traffic will be open. Post this countdown, again what we are doing is we are closing the path 1 traffic by making high logic on red LED and low logic on green LED, and we are opening the traffic for path 2 by writing high logic on path 2 green LED and low logic on path 2 red LED. Respective path 3 and 4 remain closed, and we are again calling our countdown timer function to display 9 to 0 on 7 segment display. Post this similarly. Post that. Similarly, we are opening the traffic for path 3 and closing the traffics for path 2, 1 and 4. And we are counting down again on the 7 segment display from 9 to 0. And lastly, we are opening the path 4 by keeping high logic on green LED for path 4. And we are writing high logic on red LEDs for remaining paths to close them. And again we are keeping it for 9 seconds by calling this countdown timer function, and the same process will be executed in the loop. So this was all about the code I will be providing a link to download this code in the description box. So let's compile this and see. So our code is compiled. Let's go to Proteus and load this code on our Arduino UNO. So we will go to users, my user, app data, local, temporary files, and here is our Arduino sketch. In Arduino sketch we have our hex file here. We'll load this. Okay, and then so let's play this. So here if you'll see, path 1 LED is showing green, meaning path 1 traffic is open. This is our path 2, path 3 and path 4. And our 7 segment display is counting from 9 to 0, means for 9 seconds traffic of path 1 is open. And once this timer is up, traffic for path 1 is closed. Now traffic for path 2 is open and LED is indicating green signal, means go, and again our 7 segment display is counting from 9 to 0. Similarly, once this time is over, path 3 will be open and path 2 will be closed. And again our timer will count down from 9 to 0. So this is a basic traffic signal functionality that we are representing by using a 7 segment, some LEDs and Arduino. I hope you liked this video. Please do watch, comment, like and share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for these kind of amazing projects. Thank you for watching. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.